Just in, Bitcoin broke 102,000, but promptly dropped down to below 97,000. It dropped 5,000 bucks within a matter of minutes because there were nearly $400 million in liquidations due to bad bets in the crypto sector. This sharp decline in the Bitcoin price also affected others, including some of the top ones: Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solana, and others. There are also additional factors as to why the price dropped, including regulatory uncertainty. Now, although Trump and his regime are promising to bring about swift and thorough regulatory changes to the crypto market, it hasn't yet happened, so there's still some apprehension from investors. Market speculation and volatility. Many analysts have predicted that Bitcoin could quickly go to above 125,000, while some others say that it could drop all the way down to 77,000. We don't really know what's gonna happen quite yet until Trump gets in office soon and makes those regulatory changes, and then we can better determine how things are going to play out. There's also macroeconomic factors, of course. You have broader economic concerns, including fluctuating interest rates and geopolitical tensions. They're influencing investor sentiment across all markets, including cryptocurrencies. These factors can also lead to reduced risk appetite and increased market withdrawals as people get a little nervous and they're waiting to see how things are going to play out after Trump takes office. Profit taking by investors, of course, yeah. After significant gains in 2024, it's to be expected that some people are going to be scraping some profits. Many true crypto enthusiasts are still leaving the nest egg, the main chunk of their bags, because a lot of us firmly believe that we still have a long way to go in 2025 for this bull run. Of course, that's all speculation. I'm just a guy on YouTube, a fellow investor. But we feel like with Trump coming into office and his crew making some good, positive changes for the crypto industry and outlining some regulation that's clear cut and easy to understand, easy to follow, that things are going to do way better for us in the US with crypto. If you need another good crypto exchange, check out the BTCC if you have not already. Some of the key benefits is that it was founded in 2011, so it's one of the OGs. It's one of the oldest crypto exchanges out there, period. So it's already tried and true. That's one of the things that makes me like it. Instead of throwing your money into a newer, riskier platform that hasn't been proven, I prefer to stick with the ones that have already gone through cutting their teeth and the learning curve, and maybe getting held back from the powers that be. They already have a global presence, so they offer their services worldwide to all of you who are not in the United States. Regulation and compliance, so they do their best to comply with international regulations, and they have an emphasis on security and transparency. Of course, they have a track record of not being associated with major hacks or security breaches. Super, super important so you don't lose your funds. Speaks volumes to its reliability over time. In this crypto space, as we're learning and adapting and growing and developing this new technology, things don't always work perfectly. So being around for 14 years already and growing in this space, they've already experienced all of those big growing pains that many of the newer platforms have not yet gone through. They've adapted, they've tweaked everything, they've met with regulators, so they're in a good spot. BTCC offers futures trading, copy trading, spot trading, market orders, stop loss, take profit orders. If we look at the platform itself, you can see some of the cool features that they have. Of course, you can do your regular limit order, buy, sell, market order, trigger limit, which is cool. So you can buy up to a point where it reaches a price that you're no longer comfortable with at that point in time. Let's see what else. There's also a very user-friendly interface. As you can see, beginners can use it, and it goes all the way up to the pros. They also have a lot of new user benefits that are exclusive solely to new users. I'll have the link down below in the description if you want to check it out. But you can earn up to $10,025 by depositing, trading, and completing the missions that you'll see here on this page. Yeah, if that interests you, please use the link down below. Of course, that's my affiliate link, so I will get some commissions on that, and that helps support this channel so I can keep pumping out info and giving you inside developer projects and info. Thanks. It's very important to note that if you're a newer crypto investor, this market is highly volatile. And if you expect to ride up with the gains, then you also have to stomach the drops as they come in and not freak out. Not until everything is super bleak across the board for extended periods of time. Right now, dropping back down to 97,000 is super common in this space if you're not familiar with it. So, yes, keep up with the news, but I would suggest not watching the charts all day and freaking out because it's not your friend. It's just going to stress you out. Go back through the history of the charts and research and see how things have performed. It's always does this on the way up. Lots of dips. Other top news that just came in. President-elect Trump says as soon as he gets in, he's going to cut taxes, slash regulations, raise wages, and boost incomes at a pace that the world has never seen before. I, for one, believe him. This man does what he says, and he comes in with a vengeance, and he comes in and drops the hammer. So I love that kind of response. I don't have the patience to sit there and kick things around and fumble around. I don't understand the purpose of it whenever you can just get it done instead. So I love that kind of authoritative approach on things. Of course, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau officially resigned yesterday, which was great news for many, many people in Canada and really across the world, because as many of us believe, he was part of the crew that we don't support. What else? The world's first ever appreciating blockchain, Infinaeon, is now live as of today. So the blockchain just came live recently. I'll be making an entirely other video covering that, bringing you the latest and greatest updates and how you can get involved. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day, and I will include all of the links down below in the description for everything that I've discussed on this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below.